The PSoC 6 Wireless Sensor Network IoT Dev Platform is a joint development platform from Cypress, SparkFun, and Digi-Key, designed for prototyping sensor-to-cloud solutions easily and quickly. The platform includes the PSoC 6 BLE Pioneer Kit and the SparkFun IoT add-on shield. The PSoC 6 BLE Pioneer Kit is based on a PSoC 63 MCU, which integrates ARM Cortex-M4 and Cortex-M0 Plus cores, and BLE 5.0 connectivity. The SparkFun Shield provides a SparkFun Quick Connector for interfacing to quick sensors, an XB module interface for adding different wireless protocols, and a micro SD card slot for data logging. A smart home monitoring example project with full source code from sensor to cloud is available now to get you started prototyping IoT systems using the PSoC 6 MCU.